look at what we're finally getting to fix. The hardtail flat. I've been meaning to do this for a while, but this heat sucks and I have been unmotivated to like even touch this bike, and I've been mainly riding the full suspension. But it's cool right now, or I shouldn't say cool, it's less hot. That's more like it. That's why we're outside of the garage, because it's an oven in there. I do not want to be there. So we're outside and we're gonna try to get this fixed. First things first. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put sealant inside this tire, and I'm gonna see if it holds air, because I was inspecting the tire and it still looks good. It just looked like it popped off the bead. You know, the bead that pushes into the rim and makes the seal tight. That looked like it came off, but the tire itself looks okay. So we're gonna remove the valve, clean it up with a straw cleaner. So let's give it a go. Let's try to see if that'll work. Now, just a heads up, I am prepared to swap out the tire if I need to. I have the tire, some rim tape, and the sealant. And I'm always looking to do the right thing. Like, I want things to be done right. I want it to be done cleanly and correct. But I'm also the type to follow the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So if the tire still works and I can salvage it, I'm gonna do so. But I'm also not gonna be bummed out if I need to swap out and redo the whole rim, you know, like the tape and the sealant. I really miss this bike though. I feel like it's been out of my possession or out of service for quite some time now, and I think it's long overdue. Two for good luck. If this doesn't work, I'm probably not gonna change the tire today. I'm gonna wait till it gets cooler and it's not as annoying to work on my bike. It still leaks, but it's leaking from the spoke. So I feel like the spoke punctured the rim tape. But then that tells me that the tire is still fine, which I can reuse, and then I just probably have to retape it. I lied. I'm actually gonna fix this right now because I have time. Even though I don't want to, I feel like I should, because the rest of the week's gonna be really busy for me. This rim tape is trash though. I think I'm the one that did it. I used Gorilla Tape, or I can't remember. I don't know if the guy I bought these wheels or the bike from used Gorilla Tape, or if it was me, but it's pretty trash. As I was taking off the tire, the tape was coming off with the tire, so that just tells me that the rim tape probably isn't the best. I'm making a mess over here. Brought out the mat because I was making too big of a mess. Oh, this rim tape is trash. It was duct tape. I for sure didn't do this. Even this valve. Oh my gosh. I gotta show you guys. Look how terrible it is. The valve is like squeezing in. The tape. I don't even think it's Gorilla Tape. It's like masking tape. I 1000% didn't do this. Hey, but I can't be mad because it actually held. That is a nasty dent I got in this rear wheel. That is pretty bad. We're gonna try to bend it back. So we got it all cleaned up, inside and out, as good as I could get it. Now I'm gonna true it, and then I'm gonna tape it, and then add a new valve so that everything is fresh. Throw on the same tire and go from there. See if it works. It has a slight hop because of the dent, but I'm happy with how straight it is. I'm breaking a sweat, dude. We are running out of daylight, but we're pretty much done. Like, tape is good. I just added the new valve. It's the same one as the old one, like the same style, same color, but it's just a lot newer and better condition. You got it back there, screwed in. Locked and loaded. I ended up needing to use the compressor, which I'm bummed out about. I was thinking I was gonna be able to do it with the hand pump like I've been able to in the past, but I think this rim is a little thinner than what I'm running on my full suspension, and I believe that's why I wasn't able to do it with the hand pump. But regardless, we got this thing fixed. It's dialed, it's fresh, it's cleaned, ready for some abuse. I've been pushing this fix for like a week and a half, and I finally decided to pull the trigger on fixing it because I've missed riding this bike so much. Hopefully it holds, fingers crossed. I feel like I did everything right. You know, I did everything as good as I could, got it dialed. But the true test will be on our first ride. But that is a wrap for this quick fix. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.